Meaning of fingertip.
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 Fingertip. Fingertip refers to the very end of one's finger, specifically the portion that is used to touch or manipulate objects. It is where the finger has the most sensitivity and dexterity, allowing for fine movements and precise control. The term fingertip can also be used more figuratively to refer to a very small or precise amount of something, as in I have the solution at my fingertips. Overall, fingertip represents the idea of precision, sensitivity, and control.